Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Pop That Fan. The song is Pop That Fan, the artist is CUPID featuring MC World, and the choreography is CUPID. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, are you interested in the tutorial? We'll watch till the end and I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's get it.
CUPID, MC World, listen. Everybody get your fans out. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, come on. Pop that fan. You gotta pop that fan. 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 It go right, left, right. It go left, right, left, and it's up so smooth, so cool, so fly, so fresh. Chop, chop, me. Turn around and let the world see. Come on and trip out, turn, come on, dance. Everybody let me see you hold that thing. Go right, left, right. It go left, right, left, and it's up so smooth, so cool, so fly, so fresh. Chop, chop, me. Come on, turn around and let the world see. Come on and trip out, turn, come on, dance. Everybody let me see you pop that thing. Pop that thing. You gotta pop that thing. Pop that thing. You gotta pop that thing. You gotta pop that thing. Pop that thing. You gotta pop that thing.
Well, I'm MC World, still keeping it hot. Bet the ladies show out when I step in the spot. Make the whole floor rock when she do that thing. You ain't seen nothing yet till she pop that thing. And she got the whole crew cutting up tonight. Just moving them hips from left to right. Well, I love the way you do it, baby, just don't stop. I know you in the people when I hear that pop. We're doing big bands, not the little ones. You're doing this dance, you gotta get you one. Don't be scared, stand out in the crowd. Hands up high, make them pop real loud. Even if you're sitting, just tap your feet. Pull your fan out, make it pop to that beat. I see some pretty fans, some pretty girls. One time for you, two times for the world. You gotta pop that.
You gotta pop that thing. Pop that thing. You gotta pop that thing. Pop that thing. You gotta pop that thing. Pop that thing. You gotta pop that thing.
Now after you work it out, then stop, pull it out, and make the band go pop. After you work it out, then stop, pull it out, and make the band go stop.
You gotta pop that thing. Pop that thing. You gotta pop that thing. Pop that thing. You gotta pop that thing. Pop that thing. You gotta pop that thing.
All right, guys, pop that fan. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.